Okay, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? We're here back again with another video. My name is Nick. I'm the co-founder of Expandify Marketing. And today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom audience in Facebook and what is a custom audience in Facebook. Now, it's going to be a short and sweet video. Again, before we start this video, I'm going to start with the theory of what it is, and then I'm actually going to dive deep in my business manager in real time to show you exactly how to do this for your business. So before we get into that, and before we start the lesson, make sure that you subscribe to us and that you like this video. That way we can continue creating these videos, as well as leave in the comment section any type of video you'd like us to create. That way, we can make sure to touch on those topics, just in case, we haven't covered them yet. So before we do that, let's jump right into it. So, what is a custom audience? We get this question all the time, and it is such a valuable tool, especially when it comes to running your Facebook ads. And essentially what a custom audience is an ad targeting option that lets you find your existing audience among people who are on Facebook. You can use sources like customer list, website, app traffic, or engagement on Facebook to create a custom audience of people who already know your business. So again, to make this short and sweet, to sum up exactly what this definition is, by the way, this is the direct definition from Facebook. It is essentially a email list that Facebook has gathered for you, and you can retarget people off of your customer list, your website traffic, your app traffic, or people who have engaged on Facebook and Instagram. And why is this valuable? Not only is it one of the cheapest and most cost-effective ways to retarget people and get people to come back to, whether it be your app, whether it be your website, or whether it be your Instagram page, but this is a pool of audience that Facebook has now allowed you to start retargeting, so that way you can start generating more sales or start generating more leads, really whatever your objective is. Again, a custom audience is just a pool of people who are familiar with your business, and it is super easy for you to set up, and I'm going to show you this in just 1 second. So what you're going to need to do is you're actually going to go to facebook.com/adsmanager/audience. And once you get there, it should look a little bit something like this. We are actually in the business Facebook in the audience section. As you can see right here, we've created quite a bit of them. Again, I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. This is a very short and sweet video. It is super, super easy. So once you do this, okay, all you need to do is you need to click on Create Audience. From there, click on Custom Audience. You will have different audience choices, and I'm going to make this very, very simple for you, and we're going to go through every single one. So it says choose a custom audience source. Connect with people who have already shown an interest in your business or product. So once you get there, you have the choice to retarget people off website. So anyone who's visited your website or taken specific actions on your website. So if we would do next, we can see right here that we see website visitors, we see people who visited a specific page view, any of the events that you set up that you may have seen in the other video. So it's super, super simple. All of these events, this is what you could do for whatever domain you pick. Again, it's got to be associated with the domain. You can also do app activity. Unfortunately, we do not have an app at the moment, but if you did have an app, you can go right here and then do next. And then any of the app activity that you are now tracking or you are tracking, you'd be able to select right there. Again, we do not have any apps that we're doing. Right over here is your customer list. So essentially, this is how you target people who have signed up to your email marketing or people that have already purchased from you. It's very simple. All you have to do is click next. From here, does your list include a value? So if your list includes a value, meaning past orders or customers that have ordered from you, then you would say yes. If it is just your email list and there's no value, then you would click no. From there, you click next and you just drag and drop. You want to make sure that it's a CVS, and it is a super, super simple process. The next one is offline activity. Now, this allows you to create an audience of people who interacted with your business in store or over the phone by offline channels. So if you have this set up, again, you can start retargeting people that have actually visited your store. Video video. So you can actually retarget people that have watched a certain amount or certain percentage of a video. So you can, if I'm not mistaken, I think it's 25%, 50%, 75%, and then 90%. So this could be extremely powerful because you know if someone's watched 90% of a video, generally speaking, they're interested in that video, and you can retarget them with another ad to keep following up with them. You can retarget with any single person that has viewed your Instagram page, engage with your Instagram page. It's extremely powerful as well. This is how you do it for Instagram. Lead form, if you're running any lead generation campaigns. Events, if you've created an event, you can retarget people who have actually attended past events. So this is super powerful. Again, also do instant experiences. So essentially, if you're not familiar with what instant experiences are, it's basically an audience of people who have opened up your instant experience on Facebook and Instagram. This is essentially, to make it very short and sweet, it's kind of like the modern day website of an ad. And what I mean by that is when you click an ad, it's that instant experience. You can see all of the products. It's kind of like you're actually, scrolling the website, but you haven't left Facebook yet. Very, very powerful if you're in the e-commerce business. People who have engaged with your Facebook page, as well as shopping, anyone who shopped on one of your stores on Facebook, as well as on Facebook listings. Okay, so anyone that has interacted with the on Facebook listings from your catalog. And from there, again, it is very, very simple. All you need to do is create it once. Facebook will auto-populate this. So really make sure that you're not creating one every 365 days. You want to create one for basically 365 days and let that pool start running. And in the next video, we'll actually show you how to create a lookalike off these audiences. And if you did like this video, make sure that you subscribe and like it. That way we can continue creating more videos, as well as, like I said at the beginning of the video, comment anything you'd like us to touch on. Our name is Expandify Marketing. We are a social media marketing agency that's been working very closely with clothing brands and e-commerce stores, helping them generate 6 to 7 figures. So subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you in other videos. Have a great rest of your day.